May we now call on the FEU Nursing Society Batch 2024-2025 Government Vice President, Ms. Faith Rebelledo, to deliver the batch response.
Today, we gather to honor a symbol that represents more than an achievement. A symbol that embodies every sacrifice made, a battle we have won, and the hope we now carry into the lives we are called to care for. To our esteemed faculty and administration, our honorable guest speaker, Dr. T, our beloved families, fellow graduates, and friends. Good afternoon. Today marks more than just the end of our clinical journey. It marks the beginning of who we are becoming. As we wear this pin close to our hearts, we do not just celebrate a milestone, we embrace a calling. This emblem does not represent merely the 4 years of training or the uniform we have proudly worn. It holds within it every story we have lived, from the trembling hands during our first return demonstration and the quiet years after every failed quiz, to the quiet victories of hearing our name called as a graduate. This is not just a symbol of commitment and dedication for our passion, but the hope that lights up our hearts. With all the sleepless nights, doses of caffeine in our bloodstream, and all the sacrifices while trying to fight our own battles. It speaks of growth, of perseverance, and the strength it takes to show up with compassion even on the hardest days. We move forward, not just with knowledge, but with purpose, grounded in the values our college has instilled in us: fortitude, excellence, and uprightness. These are more than words etched on paper. They have been tested, lived out, and proven true through the long days in the hospital, the sleepless nights of studying, and the countless moments we doubted ourselves but chose to rise anyway. But let it be known, this has never just been our battle. This victory is not ours alone to claim. To our clinical instructors, your firm hands and patient hearts molded us. You challenged us when we felt small. You believed in us when we were unsure. And you showed us how nursing is more than a skill. It is a compassion in action. Thank you for never letting us settle for less than who we are meant to become. To our families and loved ones, we see you. Behind every one of our achievements are the silent sacrifices you made. The meals left on the table when we had no time to eat. The messages left unread because we were too tired to reply. And the prayers you whispered on the nights we wanted to give up. Thank you for carrying us through every breakdown and celebrating every breakthrough. To our friends, batchmates, and fellow warriors, you have been our lifelines. We survived this together. And today, we won together. This pin we now wear is more than a mark of graduation. It is a symbol of the battles we have endured, the people who stood beside us, and the promise we now carry. A promise to serve, not just with hands trained in skill, but with hearts rooted in empathy. Today, we are not just graduates. We are future nurses, ready to serve, to lead, and to heal. To my beloved Batch 2025, this is our victory. Thank you and congratulations, everyone.